Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this radical square root math problem, which is 3 minus square root of 8. Now, let's provide a solution from here. We have the square root of 3, subtract the square root of 8. In this case, we can express this expression as 3 minus square root of 8, which is the square root of 4, multiplied by 2. So square root of 4 times 2, this is in the form of square root of a times b, which we can express as square root of a times square root of b. Now applying this property, then this means we have the square root of 3 subtract square root of 4 multiplied by square root of 2. Now the next step is we have the square root of 3 subtract square root of 4, which is 2, then multiplied by square root of 2. Now we have that in this square root math problem here, we have that 1 is common here, so we can factor out 1 so that we have 1 into the parenthesis. This is 3 subtract 2 square root of 2. Now we can express 1, this is the same thing as 2 divided by 2. Now let's substitute 2 over 2 in this expression here. So we have the square root of 2 divided by 2, then multiplied by 3 minus 2 square root of 2 close the parenthesis. Now this is the same thing as the square root of, now we have 2 multiplied by 3 subtract 2 square root of 2 close the parenthesis, everything here divided by 2. Now let's open the parenthesis here so that now we have the square root of, this is 2 times 3, which is equal to 6. Then subtract 2 times 2 square root of 2. This is minus 4 square root of 2, everything here divided by 2. So which we can express this as the square root of 6 subtract 4, which is 2, multiplied by 2, then square root of 2, everything here divided by 2. Now we can express 6. 6 can be expressed as 4 plus 2, then subtract 2 times 2 multiplied by square root of 2, everything here divided by 2. The next step is that we have that the square root of a raised to the power of 2, this is the same thing as a. So applying this property, this means the square root of 2 raised to the power of 2, this is the same thing as 2. So let's substitute square root of 2 to the power of 2, where we have this 2 here. Now this implies that we have the square root of 4. We can express 4 as 2 to the power of 2, then plus. Now we can express 2 as square root of 2 to the power of 2. So we have square root of 2 raised to the power of 2, subtract 2 times 2, multiplying by square root of 2, then everything here divided by 2. The next step is that 2 to the power of 2 plus square root of 2 to the power of 2 minus 2 times square root of 2. This is in the form of a squared plus b squared subtract 2 times ab, which you can express as a minus b raised to the power of 2. Now applying this algebraic identity, this follows that we have the square root of, now this is 2 subtract square root of 2 here raised to the power of 2, everything here divided by 2. Now we have that the square root of 2 minus square root of 2 to the power of 2 divided by 2, This is in the form of square root of a over b, which we can express as square root of a divided by square root of b. Now, applying this property, this means we have the square root of, this is 2 minus square root of 2 raised to the power of 2 here, then divided by square root of 2. So this means that we can eliminate the square root sign in the numerator here, so that now this is equal to 2 subtract square root of 2 divided by square root of 2. Now, here we have, this is 2 minus square root of 2 divided by square root of 2. Now, let's rationalize the denominator here. That means we multiply here by square root of 2, and also the numerator here, let's multiply by square root of 2. So that now, this implies that we have, this is root 2 multiplied by 2 minus square root of 2 divided by, we have square root of 2 times square root of 2. This is square root of 2 raised to the power of 2. Now, here we have square root of 2 into the parenthesis. This is 2 minus square root of 2, cross the parenthesis, everything here divided by, now we can eliminate the square root sign here. So this is divided by 2. So here we have square root of 2 into the parenthesis. This is 2 minus square root of 2, everything here divided by 2. So let's open the parenthesis here. So this means we have 2 times root 2. So this is 2 root 2 subtract root 2 multiplied by root 2, everything here divided by 2. Now, root 2 times root 2, this is in the form of root a times root a, which is equal to a. So this means that root 2 times root 2, this is equal to 2. So we have 2 root 2 minus, this is 2, then divided by 2. So we have that in the numerator here, 2 is common, so we can factor out 2 into the parenthesis. This is root 2 minus 1, cross the parenthesis, everything here divided by 2. So we can simplify 2 and 2 here, and that means that the solution to this problem is root 2 minus 1. And this is our solution to this square root math problem. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and kindly subscribe. Like this video and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.